You make your graph. So you block everything here, right? Insert the column, and you get the richness. No, I did, right? No, over here I had used the number of different taxa, which is what you use for the species richness, to calculate the standard deviation. So you know if you calculate the standard deviation, right? You click the blank spot, you go up to press the f of x function, fx function, then you search for standard deviation, right? And you press OK. You come back over here now to the number of different taxa. You click on like the 25 for number one, number two. Now you come and click on 28 for number two, and then you come and you click on um the 20, right? You click OK, and it automatically gives you the standard deviation. Now for over here, now for this graph over here, excuse me, sorry, sheet one richness. You need to insert the error bars, right? So you click the more error bars option and get the custom one. Then you specify the value. Now what you could have done is like first they want the positive error and the negative. It's going to be the same thing, right? Which is going to be the standard deviation value. So what you could have done was to put all of these standard. I already calculated them. You could put all of them in one sheet. You could have put one in a column and then block it, right? But because I had them like this and separated, I clicked on Control to select everything. So it'll select everything across the board, all the standard deviations that you had for the horns and toes, right? And then you click OK, and then you go down to the negative value, right? Automatically go and bring you back where the graph is. You go back again, click on the same thing. Like I said, you could just put it in a column and block it. That'll probably make it easier for you. I'm just lazy. So you go back across again and block everything. Only have it blocked for both the positive and negative. You click OK, and it creates the graph for you, right? So it looks like mine that I have down here already. So I got this one. Sorry, let me delete this because I don't even need it. So I got my graph because I had my graph before. Right. By the way, these are averages. I use the average. No, for over here where you have this is my yes, total numbers, right? I'll show you how I got that one again. First of all, these are the normal halls and toes of the station. I separated them by column, right? So you'd block everything over here again, same concept, block it. Insert the column, and you get that. No, because of the variation, like that's what I was saying, you can't see here properly, so you could log it. What you could have done, you could have clicked outside the box, click outside the box, then go back to the f of x function and log them, click the value that you want to log, and log it separately. Or to make your life easier, you log the graph. So you click on the y-axis value, right click, format axis, and then you come here and click on this, right? And then when you press close now, it automatically became log. Again, now you do the same thing in order. This time, because I separated by series, the blue one are my toes, right? Right. So you can click on the click on the tool values, right? Go back up to layout, the error bars, more error bars again, custom specify values, right? So because my values, these are the standard deviation for the tools, so you'd have to do the same thing because yeah, you use it this time. You use the total number of zooplankton, so you have to find the standard deviation for the total number. Let me close it so you can understand. You use the total number for the zooplankton again, same concept with the f of x thing. standard deviation. Just like example, you're using this one this time. Come over here again. That you're using that one. So standard deviation, which is how I came by the values that I have here from a standard deviation. The computer rounded it off, but these were worked out manually. But the computer does run it off for you, so you can still use them no matter. So this time, because I had them lined out, I can actually come here now, error bars, more error bars, specify value, and I can actually block the values that I want and come here again. Remember that I always have to take out this, otherwise it's not going to error. Right. And click OK, and you see the values come up for the toes. Do the same thing for the horns. Error bars. Sorry, I clicked the wrong thing a while ago. Error bars, more error bars, and I'm going to need to move it out of my way. Right, custom specify values again. Block that for the hall, for the positive. Block the same thing for the for the negative, and voila. That's how you get the graph. Right? Alright, that's it.